guys from Nigeria.
Hey,
Hello
guys
guys from Kenya.
Yes.
You can work with us guys.
Okay.
So
let us explain you what we do. Okay.
Yes.
So we are online entrepreneurs. So we are online business people.
Yes.
So we work online. So we
online.
use our phone. So if you have a phone, you have a computer, you have an iPad,
anything guys.
you are welcome. Okay. Do they need an experience?
No experience needed guys. Everybody can work because you don't need any experience to use TikTok, to use Facebook, to use Instagram. No experience. That means even in this business you don't need to have any experience because you have your phone.
So if you are a human being, okay, you can come
18 and over.
okay, you can be, but you have to be 18, okay.
Yeah.
But as long as you're 18 and above, then you are welcome. Are you
that person who is tired already of working, the overtime every time at work?
You work seven to seven, sometimes full-time job, and you do part-time or something like that. But if you're looking for something flexible, you're looking for something that's gonna leave you time to travel with your children, travel for yourself, and live, have a time like here, actually sitting.
That is that's what I like in this business, because you have your time is free. You are like timeless, as we say.
So as you're seeing us here, we're actually working because we came here to just take a walk near our home, but we are working. Okay, so if you're looking for that opportunity, that just imagine working from here. I'm working here and I'm making money. You guys can actually click on the link down. It's gonna take you to our webinar that's gonna explain to you how we work, how you can start too. We're gonna help you to start your own business. So Mary, is it known by the government?
Yes guys, that is a good news, because our business is known by the government of everywhere you are.
Yeah, if you're in USA, the USA government knows that. So that means you're gonna make a tax return. Okay?
Yes, you're gonna make a tax return.
Yeah, and at the end of the year, you will make your tax return. So guys, there's nothing to worry about. Here there's no stress.
It will not,
okay?
It will not lock down, guys. Like tomorrow you wake up, your business is locked down. No,
it's locking down. Okay, so click on this link to watch the webinar. So write your email and your name, and then you watch the webinar, and after that we're gonna contact you and explain to you more about our beautiful opportunity. Okay?